Hello and welcome to the latest instalment from Dawlish in OO. Today we're going to do some train spotting at Newton Abbot. I've been pretty busy since my last video through the railway room door. I've completed the modern day timetable and I've also been experimenting with sound effects, the results of which you'll see some of on this video, or perhaps I should say hear some of on this video. So without further ado, let's see what we're going to watch and then get started. So for those of you who watched the railway room door video, you may remember I had about 20 trains scheduled on my timetable. That's now up to 59, which is pretty much complete. Clearly I'm not going to run all of those on this video, that's why I've called it part 1, but we'll start at the top with the Night Riviera and see how far we get. I've sent my mate along to Dawlish to film it, so we'll see that running along through Dawlish station to start with. Apparently the normal loco failed, so there's a substitute on it today. And if you listen carefully at the start, you can hear the signalman at work in his signal box.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Stand back from the edge of platform 1. The next train is not scheduled to stop.
Platform 5 for the 0459 First Great Western Service to Penzance. Calling at Plymouth, St Austell, Truro and Penzance. First class accommodation is situated at the middle of the train. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 5 for the 0459 First Great Western Service to Penzance. Platform 6 for the 0533 First Great Western Service to Paddington. Calling at Tor, Torquay and Paddington. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 6 for the 0533 First Great Western service to Paddington. The train now approaching platform 3 is the 0634 First Great Western service to Exmouth via Dawlish. This train is the service from Paddington. The train now approaching platform 4 is the 0631 First Great Western service to London Paddington via Newbury. This train is the service from Plymouth.
Hi, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Next time, part 2.